Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is just a heads up what is coming. You see two transmission pens, and why am I replacing an old transmission pen with a new pen? It's a surprise that it's coming. I'll be posting details as to why my transmission service, replacing transmission fluid, basically turned into this into a transmission pen replacement. Basically wasn't expecting that, but sometimes stuff happens and you just have to be prepared. You never know what to expect sometimes, or what to see. It just, stuff happens and you just got to be prepared to. Sometimes, my truck was out of service for a week because of the transmission pen, surprisingly. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, clean, fresh magnets. There were some residue on them, but not a lot. To say extremely a lot, there was a lot because lack of fluid changes. If you change the fluid more often, you're not gonna have anything pretty much on your magnets. Very little, if basically none. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, you know what I mean? Just watch my videos. There's gonna be a series of videos coming of interesting stuff. You're gonna learn a lot from what I'm ready to show you guys. And and the worst part, you know what I mean, I could not find a used transmission pen, so I ended up buying a new one from a dealer. But thanks to the parts guy, he was a reasonable guy and he gave me a 15% discount. So good luck, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with others.